Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will give you 5 reasons why you should apply for a job as an accountant. Let's go. 1. Job security. Accounting is an in-demand profession, with businesses relying on skilled accountants to manage their finances. 2. High earning potential. Accountants are highly valued for their financial knowledge and analysis skills, which translates to high earning potential. 3. Versatile career options. Accounting offers a variety of career paths in areas like public accounting, corporate finance, and tax accounting. 4. Intellectual challenge. Accounting requires critical thinking, problem solving, and attention to detail, making it an intellectually stimulating career. 5. Opportunities for advancement. With experience and advanced certifications, accountants can move up to higher level positions and explore other areas of business. Thank you for listening. If you want to read the information, you can find the link to the article in the description box. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and to follow Banks and Insurance Jobs on our social media to stay up to date on the latest vacancies and career advice.